Yeah, it's really very, informative because we have been working with USD for such a long time, and this is kind of initiative from the USD. It's really helped in managing people like us because we have been dealing with the people regularly, but we never thought of following kind of we used to have that strategy like people like friendly manner, people friendly. Now we have got to know like we should have treat the people, the team members and people like people-centric manner. That's a strategy, and we got to know how empathetic we should be with the people. So a lot of information we have got through this workshop. Definitely, we will be working so hard to get this done and get this implemented in our day-to-day life. Personal as well as professional life.
That's
It's completely new to me. Even when I heard about the servant leadership, I got confused. Being like are we going to be servant? Because when we heard about the word like servant, we would be thinking about the servant maids and something like that. But this is something, yeah, we need to act as a servant some certain point of time. In the sense, we can say that as a leader, we need to drive the way to the people, drive them in a correct direction and show them this is your vision. But on certain point, when we get into implementation part, we will be acting like a coach. That's what it
absolutely.
comes like a servant. A leader is someone who will be standing in front, and the people will be following him. When it's turned to the servant, we would be that comes at the implementation time, and there it's like we will be like in a back end as a servant. We would be guiding them or coaching them to get the correct direction and get the things done on time. Of course, absolutely it will work because a lot of toolkit we have been got during this session. For example, we can say it's a leader, a freedom ladder, or inverted pyramid. So we know that pyramid what it comes like. When it comes to the normal way, the mission relationship, leader in front, and when it comes to implementation, leader in back. So those things it is like which is in my mind. Absolutely, and of course I would be implementing all those things in my team as well, and it's really a great experience. Of course I would be. I was thinking the same thing. I should have, including my manager. Okay, I was thinking like I should go ahead and speak to my team and my leadership. You just go ahead and participate in this program, which is really helpful. And I feel like each one of us should attend this kind of program so that in the entire work culture would be different. We can have it because here what happened is if I attend, some of our people attended, the others will not be knowing what's happening. So if
Absolutely.
we follow the servant leadership, others may judge in a different manner. So definitely I'll be encouraging my people to go ahead and attend the same thing, and I'll do everything for them to get this enrolled into this.